Hi, my name is Glenn Collard, and my company is Mr. Fog Free Windows, and I defog or take the moisture out of the windows. The essential process is to vent the window and allow it to dry itself out through the heat of the sun and circulating the air. I was called today to do these windows. However, there seems to be a defective product in the window. Some manufacturers of windows put an E fabric in there to prevent the sun from causing an issue. This one here, what has happened is the moisture has taken away some of the film, and it's left this border which cannot be cleared up by normal solutions. The only way to fix this window is actually to replace the glass in the window. You do not have to replace the entire frame, that's a lot more expensive, but replacing just the piece of glass, especially with a vinyl window, which are almost indestructible, that's quite easily done. So unfortunately I can't help to clear this window because of this defective film in the window, which has disintegrated, and my suggestion is to replace the glass in the window and go from there. Again, my name is Glenn Collard and my company is Mr. Fog Free Windows.